Hello, everybody. Welcome to inventory part 3. We're going to be computing the constants for an inventory costing problem. This is going to be goods available for sale, units available for sale, units sold, units in ending inventory, and total sales in dollars. So these constants are so important because they are never going to change within an inventory problem. So when we go through and do this, you have to do it extremely carefully because we need to make sure that we're computing the correct amount. So let's go ahead and take a look at the question we have here for you today. So we have a company and we're asked to go through, and I'm just going to pause real quick. Okay, so here's our problem. We're going to work through all 5 inventory methods with this. So let's have some fun. So the first thing I need to do is to figure out what are my goods available for sale. What are goods available for sale? It's my beginning inventory plus my purchases. This is going to give me my goods available for sale. Now, when we're talking about this, so we're talking about this in a dollar amount. So to figure out my goods available for sale, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my units purchased. I'm going to multiply it by my purchase price per unit. So I'm going to take over here, my beginning inventory was 3,000 times 10 or 30,000. My purchase, this cost me 24,000 or 2,000 times 12. My purchase on February 5th was 1,500 times 14 or 21,000. My purchase on February 7th was 2,000 times 15 or 30,000. And then my purchase on February 28th was 8,000 times 18 or 144,000. So I'm going to go ahead and add up all of these numbers over here. And my total goods available for sale is going to be 249,000. Again, this is a very important number because for every single one of the questions that we're going to go through and do, this is going to be the same number. Now, for the units available for sale, I'm going to take the same things like goods, but except I'm adding up the units. So it's going to be my beginning inventory of 3,000 plus 2,000 plus 1,500 plus 2,000 plus 8,000 or 16,500. So this amount over here is in units. Okay, my units sold is simply going to be 2,500 plus 4,000 or 6,500. So I sold 6,500 units. Now, if I had 16,500 available and I sold 6,500, it means I have 10,000 units left in ending inventory, right? So I'm going to take 16,500 minus 6,500, and this is going to give me 10,000 units. Last one is total sales. Over here, I had 2,500 times $35 sales price per unit. Over here, I had 4,000 times 40. So my total sales in dollars is 247,500. Once I have this dollar amount, I'm never going to use it again. The numbers, though, that are the most important are these that are right here, because these will not change for any one of the questions that we're going to go through and do. So hopefully you found this helpful. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them below. Appreciate your liking and subscribing, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a great day.